Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. I've done a video like this before, but maybe not this information. Today I was running a couple of baby plaques that I do. And first of all, if you'd want this file, just ask for it. I'll leave my email at the bottom of the video. But I make my own wood plaques and I do these for grandbabies now that are born. So I normally would put it in the laser like this. This would have taken 42 minutes and 19 seconds. I just thought as a test, because I know sometimes it doesn't work as good, but running it like this, it took 36 minutes and 53 seconds. So over 5 minutes, almost 5.5 minutes savings. And if you're like me, time is money. And even though I don't sell these, I give them away, but for friends, but I had to run two, so it saved me 10 minutes. So think about that the next time you're laying out a plaque. It doesn't always make that big a difference, but in this case it did, because this is big. This thing is 10 by 15. So in this case, so next time you're lasering, give that a shot. See if that doesn't help you save time. Thank you for watching.